So now we've done the breath, the exhale out, we're now going to move on to the s, and this slows down the breath just a little bit more. Let's give it a try. Okay, off we go. Breathe in, breathe in. Then hold it. In again, in 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold it. And let it out. One more set, in 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold it. And let it out. Now I don't want you guys to stop now. I want you to try it as many times as you possibly can. In fact, do this exercise every single day as part of your routine. The breath, the s, and this final one, which is the zzz. You don't have to do it just the 3 times. Do it as many times as you would like to do it.